In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to add your BridgeKey Wallet to the MST blockchain dashboard. First, copy your wallet address from here and make sure it's accurate. Copy your wallet address. Now tap on the Discover option to continue. Next, click on Login to access your MST blockchain portal account. Enter your user ID and password, then sign in. Welcome to your dashboard. Next, tap on the 3 lines in the upper corner. Then select your profile to upgrade your settings. Now paste the wallet address that you copied in the first step. Once you paste your wallet address, tap Submit. Your wallet is now active and linked to your account.